guys, it's finally Oscar's got change. Haha. Yes, and in this red box there is. Leave the tape measure alone. What is there, Oscar? Fidget spinners and a fidget cube. I've got an itchy shoulder. And what are we going to do with them then? I don't know. Whoa! I'm having to cube. Are you playing? I'm having these. No, we're saving the fidget cube.
You're on.
No, not yet. No, not yet. We'll put it right here. And then we get to read. I'm having this tiger one. Okay. We are going to see who is the one who can spin on top of each other like this.
Daddy, how many subscribers we still have?
I don't know, do I? Look.
I think we have 10.
Right then. Stop spinning them. We'll put them on each top. So Oscar's got the tiger one and the black spotted one. I've got this red one.
That one's mine. That one's
And
my
then
sister's.
this
That one's
one's
mine. And this one's mine.
America. What's it? What is
The
it
Captain
called?
America.
Captain America.
It's
And
broken. Still spin.
And then put these on top of each other.
I know that.
Right, you ready? Spin. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. I have to do this. And then spin. Right, you ready? Steady, set, stop it. 1, 2, 3, one at a time. Go. 1. Leave that one in. So which one spins the longest? Leave it out. Put you in the middle.
Yeah, fidget cube.
Mine! Mine! Cheetah! Cheetah! Cheetah!
What about yours then?
Okay, Oscar won that round.
Yay! I get fidget cube.
That just went on forever. Now, right, one round. Pass me the fidget cube.
Who's
Now,
doing it
you
now?
ready? 3. We'll do this one in our hands. 3, 2, 1, go. It's mesmerizing. Tingles, man. Look, it goes like white around the edges.
This one's mine. Mine is so big.
Okay, you've just won that round.
Yeah, I get a
I know.
fidget cube. I have one 2 times.
If you don't know what a fidget cube is, it's like
I was showing
no,
them.
it's like this. Well, it's shaped in a cube, and you can get all different types of one. You could get Captain America, black, rainbow. You could get any. You just look on the internet, and it's like if you look at the plain side, so there's a plain side, and then if you turn on the top, there's like a light switch. So if you like fidgeting with something, this is good for it. And then you've got a circle thing.
I've got 2 of them. I hope one.
And then we've got like a device button, so if you have an Xbox, he really wants one. And
Yeah, I really want YouTube.
and it's like one of those, and then on the bottom you've got 5 buttons. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you've got this silver button, and then you just roll it around. Okay, he's gone. I'm all by myself. And then You spin these. No. Not like that. Like this.
And I've got John Cena. You can't see.
Go show him from there, okay? Go show these your toys in there, okay? Yeah, and then bring some out, okay? Bring some out, okay? Oh, bring some out, okay? Go bring some out.
You can't see me.
Quickly, Oscar, go bring some out.
Okay, lady. Shut your mouth.
He's coming, guys, he's coming. Shh, don't tell him.
I've got John Cena. That's my new. And
You got it from Smith's, didn't you?
yeah, get out of the way. You see this button? Does it? You see this button right here? It's you press this button. And it says that.
Smiggle. Right,
And then
my
I've got
friend.
these guys.
My friend is obsessed with Smiggle, and my cousin, well, classed as my step cousin, she's got nearly a room full of Smiggle. Feels stuffy though. Oh, I just love it. And then my friend at school, yeah, they say that this is an egg, and yeah, well, I get it, it's an egg, but it's lips up as well. Do you get me to put it on my face?
No, John Cena says no. I can live a car.
Put some.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Ah! You can't see me.
Yeah, okay, we're crazy. Quite that. Quite that. Crazy? Crazy. Right, we're gonna go. Bye. Fidget.